Some people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So right now, Rosalie, people, at the but every joke, you know what I mean, I get ridiculed from everybody left to right to center. You know what I mean? She are just the biggest topic right now. You see me? The discussion we are them are have on social media right now. Rosalie name have to involve in it, and Rosalie nah do nothing but clap back and this up or this up shit. You know what I mean? So right now, my people, Rosalie clap back at Shay, the Catwoman, and also Mackerel. Cause you what them do, them team up, and I be a laugh, them a laugh after Rosalie, and I diss Rosalie, and I say, yo, you ever fly out of Jamaica yet? All different type of sitting. Them a style Rosalie with my people. I mean, I tell you, say, yo, Rosalie now do nothing but clap back. Also, you see the person who book Rosalie, him name Killer Filler, my people. Seeing him come out here now and him say Rosalie if he ease up off of the whole heap of cussing and bring down a people or whatever upon the internet, because for sure him a go book her again for your next party. This is not the last, and if she not come up them time there, him a go book her again. You see me? But I don't feel like Rosalie have a problem getting a visa to go to the UK. It's just that the person who did the you know what I mean, who did do it for her mess up. You see me? And me feel like on purpose. So we're gonna hear Rosalie have to say to share the cat woman and Mackerel. And I'm gonna make you hear Mackerel share and the cat woman have to say about Rosalie. So she bought a clap back at Rosalie, because Rosalie this she bought too. You know what I mean? I be a clap back I go on with people. Seeing, so these are the things me have to share with you. You know what I mean? If there's anything more as me go along, I'm gonna share that with you also. So make we get in and with people.
And then they buy a name over there. And the girl named Radia must see Kitty sister, she buy this thing, everybody, she pound over there. But not age authority. Miss Triple Fist stopping attacking with she said Miss Triple are hypocrite. Because the day Miss Triple she did a play game. She just chat on Instagram say, because her sister they say, and a day she will explain everything to Miss Triple. And
that's what they are going to kick on the throne that garbage.
Miss Triple are hypocrite and she can't hold no longer.
But me, I'm going to tell my mother. Check when me talk someone who will have to run with it in a blood clots. Check when me say this, I could tiny something, when I have to run with it. But so Shan birthday party run with it, me say no, England no run with it. Police exposed me no run with it, my mother that store no run with it. Everything we talk we have to run with it. Show no nobody, we have come show. And that's all I do, show and tell, show and tell, show and tell, show and tell, show and tell. That's all they walk on the sub hole. They now come through the beat them in their batty hole. You now show your bottom. You now show the beat them in their batty hole, and you now show the bad for your stomach. You want some clothes. Where you are showing your box? Where you are showing your government house? Where you are show? All stinking pot clock take you a beer with dirty Reba with beer batty boy. What take beer batty man? Wanna wake up this morning, Papa? I'm afraid I wanna stinking ticky or take beer batty man. Or from fear for the fuck sham reach him run. And I get with the BBL. From your bed for the grind you and left you run. I remember a girl with the BBL. A girl have it. Man, free do not run from uno. A sad girl. I should even argue, you know. Because take man and sad and still take woman and sadder. So me argue, you know, for. Sure, you take man and sad, you take woman and you sad her. What me argue with you for? She you take man and sad, you take woman and you sad her. What me argue with you for? What me argue with you for? To me like chat. You take man and sad, you take woman and you sad her. What me argue with you for? When me argue is no girl around here, me are the star on our trollers. Time for telling her that. Me are the dance for Uno. Me are the dance for Uno on our trollers. Me are the star yes on our trollers. You ever hear them say, and chase say pay people business. But not like it on the app. Yeah. There can only be one celebrity on TikTok. There can only be one celebrity on TikTok. And it's Rosalie. Uno our trollers. Una trollers. Because she me couldn't over there argue with 500 points. She will come on TikTok and I will get me care at 500 points. Me not accept that. So the girl believe in me. Who believe in you? Yeah, show also you pity them there. Yeah, show also you pity them there. Yeah, show also you pity them there. Where your kids them there? Aye, how the kids them look. Aye, how the kids them look. Yeah, show also you pity them there. Wanna trade in the pit them for Nyamo battle. Me argue with the dirty share. You could have showed the world. Wanna trade in the pit them for Nyamo batam. And a man batam, a woman batam, on a batam, them on a batam feeder. A battle feed, you know. Them on eat a shit on the yam. I want the yam all and batty all. Aye, all the kids them look. Aye, all the kids them look. Remember on the trading picnic responsibility. How would this? Hold on. You could have walk on and spin up and down like the government. Or you not provide that. And it's for the government. Share not on your own. You don't provide that, it's for the government. Government pay your rent. You could have spin and dive in it. Aye, all the kids them look. You could have spin and dive and roam and pull up and jump and ball out at government house. At the government gate. I had the only girl me sleep up at the government pan TikTok get mouth so loud. You are the only girl me sleep up at the government pan TikTok and your mouth so loud. I in everybody business. You're not paying a rent. You're not paying a rent. You're not paying a rent. You're not paying a bills. You don't drive. So what argument you want in a with y'all? That what can show people in government house? Members of the people of this place are going to reform, so you have to leave. You forgot? Members of the man tell you say the place to refurbish, so you got to leave. Tell the people say time to up. Tell the people say time to up. We are spinning another life and not show you not show your dirty. You're not show your dirty pussy. You're not show your thinking pussy. We not jack of all trades. We can't sit down and class na girl and yam pussy teacher me say that with a laugh. With him lean mouth blood clot girl. But me not go long in a blood clot him. Cause the boy when him batty can talk to me, me not go long in a them. I'm gonna skip blood clot them. Cause him go like him know him a blood clot though. Me not go argue.
Hey, TJ, I feel know what him a do, you know. TJ have to watch himself, like I know say him and Rosalie no good from morning. You see me say at least look at thing Rosalie I go come for him and coming for him means say all him woman I go get this. You see me I say? So if him dep on the live and cussing a go on and him find out say Rosalie the people them a cuss, it's either you mute the person, so no laughing, no nothing. And tell me people, don't feel like say it right for like like somebody at this Rosalie and like even I use TJ as an example because of him, you know what I mean, the argument is about like him up on the live and the person maybe say something funny and he will laugh. One of the things that Rosalie if you go at him for that because I know him a cuss her. Tell me what you think in the comment section. You go watch some more.
Him. I gotta do like me, I gotta do like me see and hear what him blood clots. Yeah. Shay wanna can't argue with Rosalie, me not ask him that. Only can't argue with him. She could have run, skip and blood clot dive in a building. Nobody. Use a shit house. I'll dog fuck you. You could have walk and show the highest tower and say you own it enough. You say you could have, but what happened? You could have walk around and show the highest blood clot tower you own it. I'll dog fuck you. You know the body had germs. You know a nastiness. You know a nastiness spell one way. You know a germs. You could have walk and spin and dive and go like it's a germs. Share be a bead and bubbles and clip and be a bead, bubbles and clip and ribbon in your body. You take all body fuck. Oh no. Your body deep. Like your throat back, like you're stinking. All on your body. You could have walk and show the whole district and say you own it. Go clean up a digital footprint. Go clean up a digital footprint. Y'all got what cure pitney. Y'all got what cure pitney. Sell fuck, catch man, catch woman, nyam kaki, drink come, man shit and piss, but we don't know about that shit. I'm telling you that shit. Now sit up for my blood. You see me last on this man. Don't sit up for my name, you're shit. You're shit. Share your drink called period. We're not shit. You could have walked and throw the rock of blood clot Gibraltar, you're shit. You could have walked and throw the highest tower, you're shit. I'll cover that, me say you want size up. You know, say what you like germs, you call covering him out of suck good mouth. Not even me, Rosalie, dear. Not even me, Rosalie, dear, called cover blood clot name. Can cover them a good girl. I'll triple name, me say you want call. You can't talk about triple. You are shit. Sure, you can't talk about triple, you are shit. That's your shit. That's what you are. You are your friend them. You don't notice none the whole of your friend them are low life. What of your friend them are low life. The whole of them. Kitty has some dirty Reba smarty. Reba blood clad boo. Remember the boy was sent for Reba. Remember so the boy was sent for Reba. Remember the boy was sent for blood clad Reba. Should take him man. You forgot? Ask mother and the whole of them. Mother and the whole of them know kitty file. Kitty they are white prince with a war of a batty man. Only for come party take a argue with y'all. Ask me a secret. Reba they are white plains road argue. Argue with man over man. Which one only can an argument with me? No. None. You know a shit. You could have walked on a hill for blood clot, small cubit and show all the crown. A government give you that. Show me what you own. You be here, I have forgot about. Oh, Rosalie, come for your shape, where your shape give you. Show me your shape, where your praise up give you. The favor batty man, and it's not disagree. And it is a perfect bus cut. You walk around, you know what it belongs to you, show it. You saw a mascot on the internet say, you walk around and show it belongs to you. You see a mascot? You see a mascot? Y'all walk around and a show when it belongs to you. Could never show no one belongs to me. My car walk and show one of mine. My car walk and show one of mine. My could walk and show one that belongs to me. Get out the government blood clot property, bitch. That's why I have blood clot things. You look so good, suffer a black bug. We have come catch up side of you. You look a waste blood clot, bitch. Move! That's owned by the government, bitch. I'm gonna live for welfare on the door hole. We're not living for welfare on the door hole. That's owned by the government, bitch. That's owned by the government. When you walk around, don't walk around in a year one. You can muggle upon some girl where I saw a year one. Like how Macri can go and fear one through the flap and clock it, so you can't clock it all now. Before you clock it, you clock out. Go clock out, Shay. Shay, you clock out. You're not clock it, you're not clock that, you clock out. Come out of government through the blood clot flat. Where you walk at your government, put you up and pay your rent is a leech and a lice and a nuisance to society. Is a menace, big dirty nasty, suck pussy salama menace, done throat, done body, now no belly bottom, now no throat back, now no waistline, and now no grip blood, and no blood clot glamour. You can't chat to nobody on TikTok. Nyam, well, share what fucker keep them out right blood clot through. What you own in a Belgium? What you own in a Belgium? You big stinking leaking blood clot pussy. They said you dirt, you cover it up. You big nasty. That if you pick you getting in a blood clot when a government corner. Suck your mama, you stink. You know thing? Suck your mama, you stink, dirty girl. Sure, that is a pity you get in a blood clot, but you don't want nothing but your big, stinking, leaking pipe, dirty, nasty blood clot one. Sure, I want it. Donna is not that wet. And you want to come out with me? Sure, you could have walk and show the whole building, your pussy a leak like pipe and a drip like ice choke. You got, go check your tampad when you walk a blood clot show. I'm sure the people in blood clot property. When the government put you out, what are they gonna do? When the government put you out, what are they gonna do? When the government put you out, what you gonna do? Yeah. What you gonna do when the government put you out? Send your stinking swine inside if you go look at the government house. Because on a leech. On a leech. I saw on a live on a leech. I saw on a compound. I can live on girl them on a leech. I saw on a live on a leech. I saw on a live on a leech. I saw on a compound. I come live off at one set of people name call on a leech. You know walk around and recycle name no blood clot. But stay on top. You will never be on top, Shay. So you will never be on top. And you will never be that girl.
Hey, never say never. You see, from a somewhere achievable and a somebody a designated person have really give you something and your enemy have control over that person giving you know what I mean, never say never. You see me I say, because remember when Rosalie them just did come on TikTok, never did I go on for them like that. You see me, and then find them footing and start make it. You see me, so she can find for your footing also. You just take a time sometime, you know what I mean, if your person bust out, you know what I mean, and people get to love them. You understand me? And some people that enough for them. You see me? It not gonna work no matter what them try. But you can't condemn a person although a cuss and that not bring nothing good. Let me know what you think with people or what's up more.
When the screener card them page type the most, but you go like gas when you nobody more than a leech. You leech where you live and you leech for a girl name and TikTok forget highlights. Where you walk a blood clot show. Show them the insert receipt. Yeah. Because Your house clean, but your pussy ain't clean. Share your house clean, but your pussy, you see the drawers, ain't clean. I want to know. Share your house clean, but your pussy ain't clean. Yeah. Your house clean, but your pussy ain't clean. Your putty. Your pussy dirty and mucky. And full of peer catchy street, your pussy stink. When you had a dirty old long time jazz with your blood clot avan. Remember nyam found no corner like beard. Your house clean, but your ain't clean. You know only walk and put up. You know you're gonna show this man so you make sure you're white down and rub down and black out. You're white. Then you can't see dirt in a white and a white filter you have and move stinking girl. Stinking girl. Remember say a white filter you have and a pure white. Dance and keep over the White House. Come over this big old woman. Dance and keep over the white blood clad house. Yeah. Your house clean, but your pussy clean. As the mother, your pussy dirty, so river pussy dirty. Me don't know that stinking word that who in at the back. Me don't know who she. Yeah. You and Reba suck clean like. And nyam batty like. Uno mouth stink. Uno a batty all nyama. Bat and feed a boy. Then she no work. I the one with up on the camera and we are suck out her tongue. And I said we are suck out her tongue. I the one that come back when I say I split by Heineken buckle. Then she can wake up this man with the blood clotted. I the one when I see I split by Heineken. 3 germs wake up. A pair germs wake up. Pair germs wake up them all in teacher as a fly. Pitch. I can't believe it's the one. I can't believe it's that one that I saw spitting on the bottle. I can't believe the one that I start pushing the bottle down in her throat back and spitting on it. I see that? Miss go one side, miss. Remember when I saw cocky long time before cocky in a fashion? Remember when I am batty long time before but I'm batty in a fashion? Remember when I germs ears are one in a muck as world. But we are gonna batter yes big woman move. Batter yes dirty woman move. Never know the muck as that one. All centipede, all harlot, all pores. Remember know she? Remember know the one that went on the back club? Then them have private show them face see. Remember them a long time boy, none of them say every girl attacking, none of them look good. Not like when they should have come early for class. Them they pass stronger, them they are grumblings. You see I be my cut. You know see I be my cousin of the crew. You see I be my cousin of the crew. The group of mockers. Cause shade them and Shiriba and fear sister Jackabal trade. And wait. All of them the things how them do back in the days, what do for them now. Some of them worse than me and blood clot, you know. But you walk on and show government blood clot property. I say you come on the internet and show you know a government owner. You stink. You know stink. You walk on and show government property. You walk on and show government blood clot property. I shall walk on and show government blood clot property. The only reason why blood clot nasty ribbon that give her the blood clot, you know, she just have I to show her on the week. And this a key she get her green and ask her where her blood clot Sunday. But she not show. Am I come from blood clot camera with me? No girl will eat sick, no girl will cook 6 pieces of oxtail and buy 1 bag of shrimp. And he cook 10 times can't do with me a wood so drunk and I don't know me depend this. Remember a week nasty rib, I remember how we save you.
So, we don't see how Rosalie line up everybody with people. And every one of them I get it. But them know if you don't mess with Rosalie still, you know, cause a trouble. You know what I mean? So, want to tell me what you think in the comment section with people. Is it because these people, we don't know if I pick for Rosalie or Rosalie grown and trouble them. But as far as me know, Rosalie not grown and trouble them people. Yeah. Rosalie, even if, you know what I mean, I look at things I go on with people on the internet. Some of the time Rosalie not paying attention to it, you know. Yeah, man. So, I don't know how fear and them tongue meet. And this may be a things we go on from back in the days. You know what I mean? Because me never know say the Ribia, that are the Catwoman sister. Me never know say she and Rosalie no good. But I think one of the time way back the Catwoman and Rosalie did kick off and she did join in and start this Rosalie, so it look like from them time them not deal and them and share a friend, so it only makes sense for them come, you know what I mean, knocked up on Rosalie. But I don't know the thing with people, I want so bored and then they move on to the next.
Remember feeder, bottom feeders. Remember how week save on no week save you. Because on the load on no pussy clot no. How do you enough must you want to put a little slime stinking self in that. Remember how week save 30 germs. Now what up on our blood clot things, I don't come like a menace on the blood clot internet. When you can't chop on a blood clot body, one stay bad girl wanna live now, we beat on a bad and a foreign and live in no shame. One stay bad girl wanna live now in a house 30. I beat on a bad and a foreign and live in no shame. Though that no shame no count on a dog from birth. One stay bad girl. One stay bad girl, wanna live nowhere in a house 30. I beat on a bad. Then say you could have maybe get up and go show nothing. You see a blood clot. You know see a blood clot. Mama, I pay a clown, my clown that's not gonna be your homework, you have to do it. The next thing what you do is send, go test you and come back with it. Go test under you and come back with it. Once you under your paper, come know me I send I go to pay work. But test under you and test it. Yeah. If you don't test I and come back. Be your homework, I said, no go blood clot though. Be your homework. You take care, I'm show you nothing panty tat, nothing. Nothing at all I can show you. Yeah. Come remember government feed you and TikTok feed me. So I'm for show blood clot you and if TikTok don't want to see you, I'm for show you know nobody. I fight to not fight to be relevant for you know. She a fight to not fight to be relevant for you. I fight to not fight to be seen. Whenever you she nobody not call you a book you gonna know if it fail and flop. She nobody not call you a book you gonna know if it flop. That's all you not have the influence for nobody. Yeah. She nobody not call you a book in the book. She nobody not call you for book for going away. Nobody not call you for book you for carry for you going away. Because you only not have the influence for nobody for you. And a foreign country you live in. You not turn big dirty minister on the internet. Nobody not call you for book you going away and a girl not do your voice over. When I tell the girl, so me 8, 89 and 10, watch if you not see the girl, I'm saying, them 8 you too. You blind? Are you blind? Remember you walk our friend screener card page of post you up. Stinking girl, we get relevancy upon you. Show remember the only time people see you when you call Rosa blood clot Lee. And you're not coming in, you don't even have 200 people voting. Remember me, and the celebrity around our shoulders. Suck on no mama. So the deepest part of the dead mama took on the mama dead right out. Remember me, a celebrity, who know our shoulders. Who have to do as I blood clot. Who have to slap a blood clot tension. I'm going to start prick on the skin and clap on a blood clot neck. Who know about on our germs. Jump of fire and pitch pan dead carriage on me.
Hey, allow me to tell comments. Everywhere you look, share.
Hello,
Here is
Rosalie, the only young girl. Rosalie, the only young girl. Me say ball to blood clot. I say never take plane yet, and he missed the
Rosalie a
opportunity.
big woman, stop that. Rosalie a big
Rosalie a
woman.
big young girl. We never take plane yet, and a ball today.
Mackerel as a young
Woman a
girl,
ball.
you
Forgot about the
suppose
plane,
you
you know.
can have stamps.
The woman a
As
ball.
a young girl. You, not true. Stamps.
The woman a ball.
young
Forgot about the plane.
Yes. We have to know stamps and so.
Yeah.
The people them
Yeah,
obviously
yeah.
people them say you're dark shit Rosalie. You're not the girl there. Them think you're the girl there. You're not the girl there.
I want to know how to Club Kingston the blood clot.
That
Eat
me
all
know.
the that we know.
But Mackerel, remember we know two airport, we know Naman Mali and Sangsas International Airport.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Nobody no sorry for Rosalie. So she not get to go up on the plane.
Wonderfully wonderful.
Nobody no sorry for Rosalie. Rosalie a bigger thing. The people them say like thinking girl them a care up on the plane of England.
The promoter them kill it, say.
The airport now, airport.
Plane. Rosalie, stop cutting the girl for the media. Take plane. Stop cutting the girl for the media. Take plane. That we are talk about, girl. Cute
Always
and
a picture
girl.
about people. Cause I never send for the dirty yag, you know. They always a picture about blood clot people. I never send for her. You can't clash it.
It's a big thing. It's a big thing to go on the plane. It's a big thing. It's a big thing. It's not a small thing. It's a big thing.
Always a play blood. Always a play blood clot victim.
It's a big thing. A big thing.
What? They can chat me. Do them chat me say? Yeah.
Sure.
What them chat me say? Rosalie know better. She can't chat about me and my pitney them. She can't chat about me.
Kitty. Listen now. Don't cuss, laugh, because guess what? At the end of the day, the tour will take place before, not the tour will take place before. Cute. It's a big moment. It's a big thing.
Rosalie, where you ever went? Yeah? Which way you ever go? Rosalie, you ever go on a plane to any other country? You ever left your yard?
A win is a win, right? You
Rosalie,
get
you ever left your yard?
cancel. Me
go St. Kitts, me go Bahamas, me go Tartola, me go where else me go again?
People, it's a good thing for travel and know other places and them way there, you know? Yeah man, it's a good thing for travel, man. But everybody don't really have the money for travel. You understand? But you look at experience, it's good. You go see different culture, different people how them live. You see some people appreciate Jamaican, love Jamaican. You know what I mean? But you go book up and couple where they really like it because enough people love it. You understand? And some Jamaicans rub the people them the wrong way to you, man. Because, you know, we go to people place with the dirty style enough for the time. So, this shit and the cat woman and Mackerel link up my people if you bring down Rosalie. You know, go show say Rosalie powerful because them have to gang up on Rosalie and watch how Rosalie keep back by herself and beat them bad. Eh? and you know say the three of them they make one. The three of them they make one, you know. When they come to Rosalie, you know, Rosalie are outdo them in a many things. Views, Rosalie are outdo them. Money, Rosalie are outdo them. Support, Rosalie are outdo them. You see me? I say the only person can compare in a way to Rosalie but not fully is Mackerel. Because Mackerel have a name. but she not get the support like a Rosalie I get. You see it? Look at what some more people.
I go Panama. Where else me ever go again?
Where you go? Come in here, mine.
Yeah, come again. First time I travel, I go St. Kitts.
I go Antigua and Barbuda.
After that, I go Antigua.
I go St. Kitts.
I go Bahamas. After Bahamas, I go Tartula.
I go
Panama. After Panama, I come out. Move your blood clear, Rosalie. Move.
Come now. See the book here right here, sir.
Move.
I go St. Kitts. I go Antigua and Barbuda. I go Montserrat.
Chat 3 rows.
3 rows, chat.
Where right here, sir, again?
Chat 3 rows.
3 rows.
You never go know when you want to chat to girl will take plane like that.
Oh, yes. So the last time I come.
Chat 3 rows.
My visa. Twitter. Visa.
Rosa have no visa.
Macron visa. Twitter visa. Cute.
Rosa have no visa.
Visa. Twitter visa.
I have visa for go Tartula. Cute.
Rosa have no visa.
Guys.
We go worry for place. We got a lot of place all in the dark.
Guys, double chat. I'm glad to play in an airport.
Thank you, baby. Crystal, beg some of you.
Guys, double a long time. I'm not beg. Guys, beg.
You know, she say a TikTok, Rosalie compound come wear 30-inch ear. Rosalie, that makes sense?
Guys, beg us something. Get something. This little blind boy, poor man.
What we are the kitty? If first somebody by Rosalie that ears is TJ and she blood clot wish dead upon him.
No, not TJ. Not TJ, a lava. TJ second.
If first somebody by one ear upon TikTok is TJ.
No, just say first somebody upon TikTok. Oh, TJ.
Guys, I know lava ear.
Yeah, she travel go on the farm, love.
I never sell peanut long time.
A TikTok make you can go blood clot over else she go buy fish, steam fish.
Yeah, I make you can buy cabana. I make you can buy cabana still
Rosalie,
in the
ocean. Rosalie, no, really actually. Why we still look at argue with big thinking culture?
That's why I ask you the same thing. Wanna do? Wanna
do? But we get 3 weeks.
For true because
we get 3 weeks.
Me not argue with nobody. I laugh after people. Me not argue with a soul. Me.
Only place Rosalie go travel on the farm. The farm she live right next to the farm.
Me not argue with nobody. Remember them wish dead for me, you know.
No, actually Rose live on the farm. Cause in a Rose house is on the farm.
And when? Couple days, them wish dead for me. But correct, guys? No couple days, them wish dead for me. Couple days, I put up one screen record. No, so when them wish dead for me, and by yesterday or today, no visa. Wash off your man. Yes, I want cleanse. God now give you black all of your blessing them. God now go bless you. The right way him really want for bless you. Yes, I want cleanse. Too much dirty heart. Wish dead for me. You wish dead for me. Couple days ago, I expect you to sit down and get one visa just so. You're lying. God no play about me. Me and God pit in a ramp with me.
For Rosalie. Rosalie no make no blood clot since he had 2 black and
God pit in a play with me. Me and God pit in a ramp with me.
You know see what happened? Anything she keep, nobody not turn up.
Whenever you touch the ladder 90, they're crazy.
She forgot look more visa, no come true. Everything you do. You know, she say
anything. Guys, thank you, tap your screen.
Everything you do, you get
Whenever you touch the ladder 90, don't play with me.
All the thing they can say.
You dirty pussy blood clot thing shit out. Rock but
my child, that's cute. Watch that picnic basket.
Use a triple for kitty chat. Use a triple. Cause me can't bother with the stress, you know. And listen to me. Whoever come over come tell me said Desmond say my post file for Instagram.
Guys, triple.
Anybody say come over here, come talk about Desmond and post my file for Instagram? Me go ask you a question. For all I'm gonna hear him say my post I file, from last year.
Me I tell you, guys,
From last year, on the hear Desmond say my post my file. So when I come over here, so keep on tell me about Desmond. Me have a file?
Guys, triple.
Tell Desmond to go blood clot, stitch up a plate them and batty wall.
Guys, tomorrow is the 100K party. Make sure no come out.
Tell Desmond to go stitch up a plate them and batty wall.
Guys, tomorrow is the 100K party. Make sure no come out. 100K.
I'm gonna Auntie Debbie.
Yeah. Tomorrow is 100K party. Make sure no come out. Tomorrow is the 100K party.
They done.
Ready, we're coming out.
We are.
We are jeans tomorrow. Everybody, we are jeans.
That's all Rosalie living at jeans.
It's a jeans affair. 100K jeans affair. Yes, it's a jeans
no
party.
longer the dirty Batman say my post file with me. Only thing they can cuss me and tell me to blood club baby father run we gone.
6 rows chat. 6 rows. Jeans there tomorrow.
4 more rows chat. 4 more rows.
Guys, everybody send 1 rose. Please and thanks.
Chat 4 more rows.
Thank you, Jade. Everybody send a rose.
3 more rows. Come on, chat 2 more.
Thank you.
2
more rows chat.
Yes.
The
more them chatter, the more me survive, baby. My God bless in a girl. My God bless. God love me, no. Oh, him not play about me. God loves me. Right through. Me I tell you that. God love me. Him not play about me when he come on to me, man. Him ever say enemies always gonna be a footstool.
Chat 1 more rows.
Jeans there tomorrow.
1 more rows.
Yeah, you can wear jumper. You have jeans jumper? Make sure you wear jeans tomorrow. We have jeans jumper, jeans romper, jeans anything, jeans pants, jeans shorts. Make sure it's jeans affair tomorrow, 100K. Triple chat, triple.
It's bossy. You know? But the people who are run with the negative, they run with some positive. And Rosalie, be just sorry for your fans, because you have your fans when they're forward to come see. You understand? Boy, the girl at train and I dance with plan we pack on 5 barrel on here. 5 barrel. Trust me, no joke. I saw we know deal with your thing. Different. You understand? You know? But it's just life. It's just life. You know? So people on the roll out early, the event start 5 p.m., finish 12 a.m. Rosalie, you get back a chance, we'll give back a chance. And we not stop trying with you. So all me I tell you, say, don't go back on the internet. Me like you relieve your stress now, you talk your mind now, so that's supposed to be enough. You know, that's supposed to be enough. Trust me. That's supposed to be enough. Me I beg you just no go back, go. You know, have to bash the body. You relieve your stress already. You know, so it go. Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. You probably never forward for this one, but me I tell you, say me I try with you again. I mean, not have try with you till again.
Me not ask my people, me not ask. Anytime Rosalie go back for her thing, she go get it. You see me? The person just never do it the right way. But anytime she go back, she go get it. You see me? Me believe she go get it. But I want to tell me what I think if you don't feel like say them we give her, because the only thing still in our people, the only thing them just want to know say she not go over there go run off and you know what I mean, she go back home when she go. And that them want to know. You see me? So once she can prove that, I want to that. You see me? But I don't want to think with people. I watch some more.
You know? Yeah man, Sunday up, man. Sunday well up. And Rosalie, them 4 barrel will buy if you end up back in our party. We still have send them come full of order and close on them sit the same way. You understand? And the people who are bashar, I know we go up on them, because I'm not too TikTok, I'm not too, you know, never see me like on him something I have to drop in. You understand? So, like up, me hear people that say, boy, I should go out with too much things on the internet and cuss too much people and do this and do that. All of them cuss on TikTok. I feel them think that. You understand? I feel them think that. So I don't want to use that against her and say, I choose she on the internet and cuss people and she do that. We don't have no control over our embassy. But me can tell you this,
I was told the visa approved. Rosalie was told the visa approved. You understand? Yeah, man. So people no bash Rosalie. And Rosalie, may I tell you, the people that will look for the visa, you don't need to, you vent already. Just leave it like that. You understand? Remember, say, a ticket one of you when I buy for £1,300 and I get proper flight no buffet. You know? You understand? Me lose that. Remember, me send a down payment to you. And we can tell them who send that. Me send a down payment of £750 to you. And me no want it back. And me ask you to do, just load the internet. And nobody chase with nobody, no cost nobody. When me say that, me start pertaining to your visa. I mean, on a TikTok thing with cussing and chasing, when I do that, I phone thing that. You understand? So, me no want nobody to say like, a lie she tell her, lie we tell her. You know? Rosalie get payment from January. Rosalie passport. Do I biometrics, I think, from about the 29th of January. You understand? So people will do everything we're supposed to do, but it's beyond our control. So Rosalie, pick up yourself. You really feel sorry for you because you didn't want to get the opportunity because everybody deserves a chance in life. You understand? Yeah, man. So Rosalie, man, you pick up your people there. That's what you have to say.
Why people? We really want to go, but not for the time, but we want to still go for support Killer Fin at the party. Sunday, we want to send it down. You understand? We want to still go support.
Rosalie, to be honest with you, we are get ticket sale crazy this year. You understand? Ticket crazy. Yeah, man. Crazy this year, it's not like, but we just feel a way, you're not there. You know? Swiftly got his visa, Rose done there, but we want Rosalie for there. Yeah? We want you for there, but Mama has said I'm going to try with you again. And the people that will come out for the party, or forward for the party starts 5 p.m., finish 12 a.m. No hats, people, no hats. The man we are at, no hats, no hoodies, no balaclava, no search, no entry, and no smoking. All or nothing I'm a plan for this man. All or land and a plan. Wait, I would have checked in lava. Those are live I get bad. See, lava check in there. Only but people check in. People, we don't want to know about Rosalie about this thing. Everything was going to plan, going like, oh, we want it. People told me excited when them tell me say the visa approved. Me just code one thing in a white man. You know, really make, and you have to be no jacket suit. It have to be no, you can't wear shorts. You understand? One thing in a white. And if you don't have no white, you just wear a piece of white. You see me? People may not do fake going. See lava, them can tell you. When lava for forward, them send lava money go give. A pandemic make lava not there. Because that situation, them hear some people say, oh, lava never get no money, that's why I'm not forward on my party. Now I tell you 2 years ago. You understand me? Just to show you people still lava. Can't tell you upon the live, yeah. Because I have it, a PayPal, me pay him through. And enough of them, you know, tell me say, yo, post it. And I say, why should I post it? The man not reach out, why me I go post it, so me pay him deposit. And him run back him deposit, him send it back. So me just show you some people still, them just run with negativity, them never run with nothing positive. You see me? And people don't bash Rosalie. Don't bash Rosalie. Don't bash Rosalie. The ticket them the pan Eventbrite, no man. Eventbrite, the ticket them the pan. You see me? See lava there. You know, they force me to talk to lava like this for them time. No, bro. You understand? People may not do fake promotion, may not do fraud promotion. I'm sorry for people that really want to go see Rosalie, but line up again because Rose, yo, I ask you for June again, you know. I tell you that you are trying to forward your back here for June again. Life changes, event, family.
June in a June. Rosalie must get it this time. But here like him send the deposit go give Rosalie from January. So I guess him now go take it back. Him just gonna make sure hold on upon it and book her for your next party in a June. And you know what I mean, they work that out them time there. You see me? But people, we're gonna go over Shibada, you know, and hear Shibada if say boy Rosalie.
Eh? Don't suck out your mother. Eh? Yes, about why win some mute you come out, you comment. God name out your mother. I might will block that one, yeah. I want where I want you up for blacklist.
Find it.
No, I just want.
Where I want you up for blacklist. Win some. Win it. Sister win it. Block it. Block it too. Make sure you use that many pages like Martin. Make sure you use that many pages like Martin. Yeah, block her. When I tell you to block them, when I mute them, block them. Yeah, after over here chat Rosalie. And she knows say Rosalie promised to go to England, go buy her something out of primer. Yeah. We now block Top Chef. What we are block Top Chef for? Top Chef over Rosalie and Top Chef over here. And Top Chef never be rude. Never be rude yet. So we are block Top Chef for make it make sense. Beauty Sawyer, make it make sense. Cause you want to say true Top Chef a gift. Me now go block Top Chef. Top Chef over Rosalie and Top Chef over my life too. So why should I block Top Chef? Come talk. You have to talk fast, you know. You have to give us a reason. You have to give us a reason. No, you have to give us a reason. On the peanut, yeah? Because he's not being honest. Let me show you honesty. Hold on, I want to get the name right. Show you honesty. Come on, where you find honesty out of this? Top Chef never come here so yet and be rude. So where you find honesty in this? Where you find honesty in this? Top Chef our own big woman, she can go anywhere on the app she feel like. Anywhere on the app. After me not buy the woman megabytes, I never buy phone charger gear on her phone. She can go anywhere, but she never come over here and be rude. So where you try to say, make it make sense. Oh, I'm not being fair. How me not be fair, make it make sense. Make it make sense now. How you want to say two Top Chef come over here and Top Chef a big gift and blah blah and Ray. She over Rosalie a gift big too. I mean I have no problem with that. Each one the money for spread. The lady I walk on the charity just like Nikki. So why am I not being fair? She unblocked me. Why am I not being fair? On the reason like Rosalie, stay over there. Stay over there. On the reason like Rosalie, she never tear down Triple yet. I want me tear down she. She is Triple have secret for Rosalie. Right? Triple have secret for Rosalie, so she want to project herself on me. What do you mean I'm not being fair? To explain how I'm not being fair. Cause you can't even talk. You can't even tell me why am I not being fair. When I like when I put stinking more too much. We class big dirty stinking nasty Rosalie and our two dirty germs ball them. Shanti and Barbar. And a man with full of cis. GX. We class them. Triple collect money for Rosalie, but when they come on the internet come tell her that. My finger yet never allow me to follow Rose. Oh my God. Yeah, it's okay to like more than one person. It's okay to keep Top Chef. Let me tell you something, but I admire. Top Chef over Rosalie a gift her, right? And Top Chef come over here and gift me. And you know say no care how me a class Rosalie, Top Chef never yet say she be don't say that, don't do that to the girl, don't this, don't that. She has never. She has never said that. After Top Chef no business with what we want to have. She's not here to part fight. The lady never come as a referee. And that Nikki did a try do. And a so comes enough dark shit start style the woman.
And that Nikki was trying to do. All me tell her say it's never gonna work with us. And then the dog shit them turn on and style the woman. So don't come tell me about me for black Top Chef too. Top Chef not even dip on the program and you want me black the woman. Go suck your mother. So why me the black she? I mean I study Rosalie live. After me not dip on Rosalie live, me never go sit down on Rosalie live yet. I pay a screen record for my For You page, me say. So what reason I have for black Top Chef? Top Chef did over there chat me. Well, if she over there chat me, she's supposed to. And me and Martin do over there chat answer. So it's true. That's why I'm tell you, that's why Rosalie combo. No care what she do. Mother find she argument the same way me find it. Destiny find she argument the same way me find it. Everybody else find she argument. Let me tell you something. She walk on the internet and have whole heap of enemy. Whole heap of enemy she walk and have. So if mother want clash, she mother supposed to clash. If Destiny want clash, Destiny have to clash. If you are clash, you do go ahead and clash. Go and go clash. But don't expect me to see what una say about she. Because enough time I come here start talk about triple, you can't see it. Exactly. No, it's true. Poor Top Chef just a mind her business and go through and look how she get exactly my point. Because me, I'm glad I'm sitting here so and sister Rosalie people them come over here call up the woman name. Don't do that.
Alright, so my people, we're gonna watch just a little bit more and then we're gonna end it. You see me? But me still can't get used to these people cussing little picnic them, you know. Me nah lie. That shows that these people have nothing about them here, man. Them a drunk or dog shit. Me I tell you that, my people. Cause me can't see a person picnic, you know what I mean? And diss them. Not really see and diss them, but even dip online and I diss them. No sir, them people here, them a drunk here, man. Them a shit house. You see me? You can't diss people picnic like that. And some of the time it even matter if the person this your child. You just have to have a standard and you know what I mean? And just have morals and them something them, man. Come on, man. Picnic. Me can't seem to forget the idea of how them do this thing and get up and do it every day. The other day me hear Rosalie on a live and Rosalie say picnic I forget this and ray like say is nothing. It do something to you, them, you know, cause them I don't watch them something, you know. And when they watch it, what you feel like say it I go teach them. Well, tell me in the comment section because you not go teach them nothing good. Unless it's a picnic where you really have a real like influence in them life and them listen to you and you can explain some of the things them and say them are something really this and that. But if them hear them name get mentioned in a cuss, just like how Rosalie daughter start clap back pan share them and everybody will call her name because Rosalie get her involved in the whole situation and make she come on the internet come answer them. She gonna feel like say she a big one. You see me I say now you have to love them youth, you have to be a child. You see me I say I enjoy them shit. Nobody bring them in a dirty conversation with our cuss. Some people, as we say, we are going to watch a little bit more and then we are going to end it.
Oh, them get Top Chef, and a Top Chef alone watch my live and over Rosalie, and a Top Chef alone over here and give me, I put that Top Star Roses and go over Rosalie go gift her. It's not Top Chef alone. I see Martin up on my program, and when me I tell you say Martin and barbz Slims when them ready, them go over blinga and them tear down blinga with gifts. Them send and gift from blinga can't in a one match and lose. You don't believe me? And when me I go say, I know people say, look at Martin over here, so me say Martin, I'm own big man, I'm free for go anywhere I want to go. I'm own big man, after me not control people. I'm own big man. Me know so that's exactly what they might try though. That's exactly unknown girl. That's exactly girl. That's exactly what they might try do. She be a Mojo Wagwan. Mojo, remember me and a friend from long time. Remember me and a friend from me didn't want to try for my page out of my page. Yeah, come and talk about she be a Mojo Wagwan. Mojo, remember me and a friend. Nothing change. Remember me and a friend Mojo. I said it's here from them time then. Remember me and a friend same way. Yeah, come and tell me say Mojo Wagwan after me not care. Remember me not care? Me not care about if I not care about if you never pronounced the name a while ago, I wouldn't remember you. No, because they want to control people. They want to control people. And people they want to control.